as you grow older, hindi ka na, 'di ba? Tayo. Pero I don't know if you don't want to waste time anymore to argue with a person. Minsan kahit alam mo na mali rin siya, sige, bahala ka na. Okay. If that's your your point of view, sige, okay na. Pero hindi na ako makikipaglaban pa. Unlike nung medyo younger ka pa na, hindi ako magpapatalo. Palaban ako, ganyan. Pero as you grow older, nakakapagod pala to argue with someone. Kaya,
Definitely.
I don't know if it leads to you being patient enough na as you grow older or napagod ka na lang talaga sa mga ganong sitwasyon at naintindihan mo na lang na bata, lalo na pag bata yung kausap. Wala, hindi pa niya maintindihan yan. Pero maintindihan din niya yan
Yes.
in the future. Ganun.
Ayan.